Did you know that learning to trade Forex is no different from learning how to fly a helicopter? Let me share more with you right now. Hello, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach, and today is Friday the 9th of May. And that's right, I want to give you an analogy between the similarities between learning how to trade Forex and learning how to fly a helicopter. Around 10 years ago, I started learning to trade Forex, and it took a number of years. And right now, I'm about a third of the way through my private pilot's license learning how to fly a helicopter. And I want to go through and just share some of the experiences of what I'm going through right now and how that can help you learn your trading, which is something that I'm still doing, but something that I started a long time ago. So, learning to fly a helicopter, for me, it's a big dream that I've always wanted to do. And at Christmas, my wife got me a lesson to learn to fly. And right now, I'm sort of flying once or twice a week on the way to having a private pilot's license. So how can that help us? Well, it's a dream of mine. So for many people, learning how to trade Forex successfully and either travel around the world with your laptop trading or trading from home with your family and your children around, it's a dream also. And both of them can be achieved. But like everything, anything that's good takes a lot of hard work and dedication. Now I'm finding with the helicopter, it takes a lot of my time. Takes a lot of dedication. There's a huge amount of information to learn, most of which I had no idea I would need. I'm opening myself up to a whole new world of terminologies, of different experiences. And there's a lot more than I actually thought would be involved. And again, trading is no different. There's a whole new world out there to learn when you want to become a Forex trader. Now, the other thing that's similar is that not only does it take a lot of dedication, you're probably best to find yourself a really good instructor or a really good coach. Now, I'm not just saying that because I coach Forex. You can go to anybody who you choose to. I'm just one of a number of people who would be good to learn from. But see, with my helicopter license, I've gone to the best instructor that I can find, because at the end of the day, I'm up there flying around in the sky, and I want to learn the best way that I can from the best person. So learning to find a Forex coach and to trade properly, again, is no different. Experiences, well, I go from absolute exhilaration and joy through to fear, scared, terror sometimes, very nervous sometimes, very hesitant sometimes, and then again back to being just, the best thing I can do and huge smiles on my face. So, and you go through all those different emotions, and I have very good days of flying and some not so good days. And exactly the same with trading. You'll go through that. You'll suddenly make some money and you'll just have that exhilaration and that joy. You will then suddenly become frustrated. You will become disappointed. You will become frustrated again. You'll make some more money. You'll then go backwards again, and you'll go round and around in a never-ending circle, or so it seems. However, when you look back on it, it's amazing how much you do actually grow and develop. And it's also interesting that my instructor is slowly but surely adding layer upon layer upon layer of skills to my ability, and I'm learning and putting little things together step by step, and learning again to trade Forex is no different. And that's why I have my course set out in the way that I do, because it's building blocks, it's layer upon layer upon layer. You're not going to get it all right straight away. I don't get trading right all the time. Like anybody, I make mistakes. My helicopter is no different. You make mistakes and you learn from those and you move on. But it's also important to have enjoyment from it. There's no good me flying if I'm not enjoying it. There's no good me trading if I don't enjoy it. It's exactly the same. Don't start trading just because you're desperate to make some money. That's not the way to trade. You've got to enjoy trading and the whole learning process, and really enjoy it. That's all I can say is enjoy it, because it's such a brilliant business. There's no reason why you shouldn't enjoy it. And it's the same with me flying the helicopter. It's such an amazing experience and a skill to develop. There's no reason why I shouldn't enjoy it. Also, Very few people can fly a helicopter. Most people give up, most people actually don't even start, but most people find it just too difficult. And again, trading successfully is no different. Very few people actually do it, because if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. But most people either don't have the dedication or the investment of their time, investment in their knowledge, in their education, and just dedication. You know, you will get knockbacks, you will get setbacks, you'll make fantastic trades and then you'll lose it all again, and that will happen, and expect that to happen, especially while you're learning. But over time you'll have less and less mistakes, and you'll make more and more, and your whole knowledge and understanding of the markets and the way that you choose to trade will grow. And I'm anticipating that my knowledge of flying and ability and safety and everything else and understanding will develop over time. So it's like I said, it's one of those, which is the trading I experienced a long time ago. The helicopter flying I'm experiencing right now. And if you do fly, you'll know exactly what I mean by how difficult it is to learn to fly, and how fantastic it is, but also how frustrating it can be as well. Onto the charts themselves. We've had a very quiet last month. Actually, it's been really quiet, but yesterday being Thursday, a huge crash in the euro, and it's actually moved a lot. Most pairs have moved 100 to 150 pips that have the euro in them. So it could be now the start of something like new trends. It could be the start of a bit more price action within the markets, which would be fantastic if that does happen, because it's just been a little bit flat and a little bit quiet over the last few months. So I'm anticipating that heading into next week, by the time you watch this video and listen to this podcast, the price action should be back into the market, and there should be some fantastic trading opportunities for us. So I'm wishing you a fantastic weekend, and I look forward to talking to you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem from the Forex Trading Coach.